Hello, my name is Amanda Arnold, and today I'm here to discuss the Foremost Insurance Marketing Plan. Foremost Insurance was started in 1952 by Edward J. Frey and Edward L. Stoddard. Mobile home sales were soaring and they needed an insurance carrier for financing purposes, so Frey and Stoddard started up the company. The company was acquired by Farmers Insurance in 2000. This was a good move for Foremost because it meant they were being backed by one of the leading insurance companies in the industry. They are a specialty insurance company that offer insurance for specialty products that not all insurance companies are willing to take a risk on. The company is endorsed by AARP and partners with USAA to provide USAA customers insurance when USAA cannot. They are licensed and able to write in business in all states, and they are rated A by AM Best. Foremost has a number of strengths. Their biggest strength is that they offer a variety of quality products that offer great protection for customers. A weakness is that they are offering a high-risk product, and the cost is known to be a little higher. One of the opportunities for the company would be to rebrand their auto product and find ways to enhance the product. With the recent closing of numerous State Farm locations and agents needing to be relocated, this would be a good opportunity to Foremost to kind of get their foot in the water and see what they can do with their auto product to see how they could improve on it and possibly reach out to some of those customers that may be impacted by this. A big threat to any insurance company is natural disasters. This is not something that the company can control. However, it does impact the amount of business a company can offer and can change where they offer insurance. Foremost, as I said, is a specialty insurance company who serves markets that other companies may not offer. Other products that companies may not offer. So they want you to expect more out of them, because the last thing you want to worry about is having the right insurance policy. They target mobile home owners and recreational vehicles, but they also target those in the non-standard market. Foremost believes that everyone should have insurance available to them, so they do their best to cover those that cannot get insurance in the standard market. Foremost is known for tailoring their product to meet the market's demands. They started out as a mobile home insurer and continued to grow over the years. They created the first travel trailer policy and revolutionized motorhome policies in the 1960s. They added boats, motorcycles, mini bikes, snowmobiles, and all-terrain vehicles in the 70s. In the early 2000s, they contracted with J.C. Taylor, adding a collectible auto program to the ever-growing list of products. And in 2012, Foremost Auto became available. The company offers a 12-month insurance policy that includes a variety of discounts to help customers save money. They also have very competitive pricing. Foremost currently has a Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and YouTube account. However, they do not use these accounts to their full potential. Currently, Foremost relies heavily on their agents, referrals, and very limited marketing to obtain new customers. We need to expand the marketing efforts. However, from a business standpoint, it is important not to take on too much business. Also, with Foremost being part of Farmers Insurance, we can't step on any of their toes with the products that they offer. Since the company is in a higher risk market, it is crucial to make sure that they are not exposing themselves to a catastrophic loss. But it is time to start using these social media accounts to gain business. We need to use advertisements on these accounts that target our preferred customer. We need to find ways to sell the business using posts, videos, even blogs for the products. The company will continue to use the same marketing strategies that they currently are using, but expand their reach. They will continue to email current customers to try to gain additional business from them, sort of a cross-selling feature. They will also continue to send out mailings, but they will now start to branch out to more areas, especially those areas that are seeing an increase in sales of the products they insure. Currently, motorcycle sales are on the rise. We are one of the countries that are selling the most motorcycles, so it's really good to continue to grow that business. Foremost has a good foothold in the insurance industry and is backed by a leading insurance carrier, but with some small changes to the marketing techniques, Foremost has a chance to expand their business and make a better profit. Thank you for listening to my marketing plan.